Alex Hormozi's School funnel works in a unique way, but how exactly does it help you scale your business or community? Well, if you're wondering if Skool is the right tool for you, you're in the right place, because I'll break it down quickly and give you the facts. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you an exclusive offer on Skool's trial and also introduce you to a couple of strong alternatives that could be more suited for your goals. First off, Skool is a community focused platform that integrates courses, groups, and events all into one. It's built with the idea of turning your audience into a loyal, active community. The core of the Skool funnel is to allow creators, educators, and business owners to monetize their community while offering valuable content in a streamlined way. This platform is structured in a way where all your members are in one place, whether they're learning, engaging, or even sharing content. It's designed for simplicity, but that doesn't mean it's always easy to use. More on that in a minute. Next thing you should know, Skool's funnel is all about engagement. It's set up so that your members are not just consuming content passively. They can comment, ask questions, and interact with each other. The platform encourages conversation within the community, which helps you build a strong connection with your audience. But here's the catch, it can feel a little too basic for some. The user interface isn't as polished as other community-focused platforms, and some find the navigation a bit clunky, especially when you're trying to scale up. The fourth thing to consider, Skool's pricing model is a flat rate fee, which can be attractive if you're managing a big community. But for smaller creators or businesses, it might feel like overkill, especially when compared to more flexible pricing structures from competitors. If you're just starting out or don't need all the advanced features, you might feel you're paying for more than what you need. Let's talk about integrations. Skool offers a lot of features, but it lacks the deep integrations with other tools that some competitors provide. For example, if you're already using a CRM, email marketing, or other third-party tools, the integration process can be a bit of a hassle. Skool is still growing in this area, and while it works well for a lot of people, if you need a more seamless connection to your existing tech stack, this might not be the best fit. Now, the sixth thing, the content delivery on Skool is straightforward, and that's part of the appeal. But if you're used to highly customizable options in your course or community platform, Skool might feel restrictive. The lack of design flexibility means you'll be working within the templates that Skool provides. It's a time saver for some, but limiting for others. But here's the thing. Skool's approach to funnels and community building might work if your main goal is to connect with your audience and keep them engaged. But if your aim is to drive sales, scale your business rapidly, or integrate with a suite of powerful marketing tools, then there are better alternatives out there. So here's the twist. While Skool has its merits, I want to show you a couple of tools that take community building, funnels, and integrations to the next level. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll share a link for an exclusive extended free trial of Skool for our viewers. But before you decide, check out these amazing alternatives that could be more suited for your growth goals. With our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial, plus some extra benefits that are available only to our viewers. Whether Skool fits your needs or not, you'll have the chance to explore other platforms and pick the one that helps you build the community and business you're aiming for.